In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block with Google Calendar and Todoist integration. This process will take about 5 minutes, so let's get started on helping you manage your tasks more efficiently. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. You can do this using either a web browser or the desktop app, whichever suits you best. It's important to be logged in, as this will allow you access to all the settings and integrations we need. Once you're logged into Todoist, navigate to the settings section. You'll find this either in the top right corner or in the menu. It varies slightly depending on whether you're using the browser or the app. From settings, select the integrations tab. Here you'll see a list of various integrations Todoist offers, and what we're looking for today is the Google Calendar option. Now click on connect next to Google Calendar. This action will prompt you to sign into your Google account. So go ahead and enter your credentials if you're not already signed in. Establishing this connection is a crucial step, as it allows for seamless syncing between the two platforms. After you're signed in, it's time to choose which of your Todoist projects you want to sync with Google Calendar. You might have multiple projects, but for this setup, think about which one you want to actively manage and see as time blocks in your calendar. Next, select a Google Calendar to sync with. It doesn't have to be your main one, it can be a separate calendar just for your Todoist tasks. This can help keep your personal events separate, maintaining a clean and organized visual representation of both tasks and appointments. As you proceed with these settings, think about the customization options available. You'll get to decide whether tasks with due dates or specific labels appear in the calendar. This level of customization helps to ensure that only the most pertinent tasks show up in your schedule. Once set up, tasks with due dates will automatically show up as events in your Google Calendar. This means you'll see them right alongside your other appointments, giving you a comprehensive view of your time commitments. Now that you have everything in place, you can adjust these tasks by simply dragging them to your preferred time slots in Google Calendar. This drag and drop functionality allows for versatile time management, letting you allocate the right chunk of your day to each task. Plus, it is easy to adjust your schedule on the fly if unexpected events arise. And there you have it. With Todoist tasks nestled snugly into your Google Calendar, you can focus on what matters, optimize your time, and keep all parts of your day in sync. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to juggle multiple responsibilities, this integration is a great way to enhance productivity and time management. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.